Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete apps on your iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you have to find the app you want to delete and then long press on the app icon, tab remove app and then click on to delete app. Confirm by tapping delete again, and that's it. Now your app is permanently deleted from your iPhone. And there's another method that how you can delete apps from your iPhone. First of all, you have to click on settings, then tap on general. Okay, first of all you have to click on settings, then tap onto general. Then you have to click on iPhone storage here, and there you go. You have to find the app you want to delete from your iPhone, such as I want to delete CapCut from my iPhone. So you have to click on delete app. Make sure you don't click on offload app because it will still keep the apps icon on your phone. And that's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech and iPhone tips. See you in the next video. Goodbye.